Hi everyone. Let's see what is the guidance from universe for the last day of the year 2025. Let's check guidance. Wow, we had this card yesterday as well. So, the universe is saying that be patient, you are receiving the guidance. Probably most of us are not getting the hint. Most of us are not ready for the guidance that we are receiving. So, that is why this card is coming up again and again, that somebody is there to guide you. Listen to them, okay? What is the other thing? New vision. Okay. New year, new vision. Make a resolution to look at things from a different perspective. Make a vision broader. Okay. This vision also depicts that you need to have an aim in life, to have a clear vision. Okay. So if right now you are feeling, all over the place, your energy is all over the place, your emotions are not in control, try to have a clear vision to get what you want in your life, because this new vision card also depicts that once you have a new vision, your path will become very easy to walk onto. Right now people are struggling with it, going with the flow. Okay, do not have control issues, do not try to control everything around you, do not try to control the outcome of your efforts. Be patient, just keep doing what you're doing, create a new vision, follow a new path, and go with the flow. If you're trying to control something, trust me, it'll hurt you, it is not going to benefit you in any way. Let's see the last card, sharing. Very beautiful. This sharing card is extremely feminine, if you can check. So sharing basically means, this card basically has a meaning that you need to activate your feminine energy. You can't be very rigid, and you can't be holding on to everything within yourself. You need to talk about it to somebody. If it is your joy, if it is your sadness, if it is your stress, anxiety, if it is something about where you are judging yourself, stop doing that. Talk to someone, share it with somebody. If you share something with someone, you feel lighter, whether it's joy or it's sorrow. Okay, because sometimes everyone's not capable of handling joy also, at the same time, when we are not able to handle our sorrows. So sharing is something that will make you abundant, that will create a space within you to receive more. Okay, so the last day of the year is here, and all the best to everybody for the year 2026. We'll check the energy for the 1st of January very soon.